Here's a quick tutorial of Fancy Themes app. It's one of the top apps to customize your phone to make it more personal, and here you can do three things. You can install custom wallpapers, you can change your icons, and you can create custom widgets. And if you just want to start out with this app, I just recommend you to start with themes. So this is the first tab. Just go to the theme, and here you have everything combined. So you have related wallpaper, you have widgets and icons, which you can install here. So yeah, that's basically, for example, that's what your home screen might look like if you install all of these wallpapers, icons and widgets. So you can just use that, or you can use something like this black tone or anything like it. But the thing is, some of these things just require a paid subscription. So here you have some menu, but then you will need to upgrade. Or otherwise you can just go to each specific menu. Like if you just want some widget, you can just go and install a widget here. So then you can just set widget. And some of those are premium, so you need to either upgrade or watch a video. So something like that. So then you can just set up icons, and there is free icons, there are paid ones. If you want to install these icons, then you can just follow easy install. And then you will basically download all these icon images to your photos, and then you will just work with this with the app and just follow the prompts. It's super easy to install. However, you won't be able to install this icon for all the apps. And then you just have wallpapers. You can also install and find some interesting wallpapers. There are some really cool ones which you can try out, and there are some minimalist, there are dark, keyboard, cyberpunk. So there you have it. Kind of cool app. It's one of the top ones. So then if you want to upgrade, then you will need to just tap on some premium icon and then just tap continue, and then there is 3-day free trial, and then there's $6.99 per week.